Welcome to Singhanan. I'm going to introduce an amazing product to you, the expandable gun rack. Let's first take a look at the part of the rifle's rack. Here it can hold as many as 9 rifles. There is an extremely sturdy support structure on the top. This support is not only firm but also has a great protective effect on the guns. Similarly, the bottom is also made of the same high-quality flexible material to form the chassis. On the chassis, exclusive grooves are carefully designed for each rifle, so that the rifles can be placed steadily on it. The material used for this chassis is really solid, with a considerable thickness, and its quality is obvious. Now, let's turn our attention to the side. Here, a pistol holder is equipped. The surface of this pistol holder also uses the flexible material. In this way, it can effectively prevent the pistols from being scratched during the placement process. It's really friendly to pistols. Besides, below the gun rack, we have also configured a magazine holder. The front end of this magazine holder is set with rubber granules to avoid magazines falling off. What's more, our gun rack has strong expandability. It's not limited to the original accessories. You can choose other accessories as you like and customize it. But when choosing and installing accessories, pay attention to props with accurate holes. The recommended hook is very suitable and has excellent adaptability. I highly recommend it. And the magnetic magazine is also recommended. It's convenient and perfect.